The whole crypto market is going crazy right now, and Bitcoin has touched $26,000, and everybody is wondering what is now the next level to watch here, and will Bitcoin have a massive correction to the downside? That is something that we're going to talk about in today's video. So definitely stick around here and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and activate the bell so that you will always be notified when I put out one of these important videos. So I'm going to jump directly into the charts here. So I want to start off with that we see a huge volume candle supporting this upwards move here to the upside. So we went here all the way to $26,533, and guys, I can tell you, I believe it's not over yet. I see still some juice in the bulls to push it a little bit higher by today or tomorrow. I believe it's not quite over yet from what I am seeing. So also, when we're looking at the EMA ribbon, it just flipped bullish here yesterday. So that is also a good sign. So, but you know, guys, I told you many times already, at some point, the price is coming down to test the EMA ribbon. And in the best case, we bounce from there and continue upwards. So, and this will be happening in the next coming days, that we will come down to the EMA ribbon, but it doesn't mean that the EMA ribbon cannot go up like this here, and the price starts to go up sideways, and then at some point comes down to touch it then around $25,000. So that is something that we cannot rule out. I will be honest with you guys, I have not seen this massive move. Let me put it this way, I have coming it, I've seen coming it a little bit, but not to 100%. I was not convinced. Let me put it this way. Yesterday, I was not convinced that this is going to happen, especially after this nice red candle here today. I was pretty convinced that we will see already a correction. But then when it broke over, I think $24,500, yes, around that level, unfortunately, I was at a conference and could not take that trade. I was pretty sure if that breaks out, then we will go straight to 25,200 or even higher, and that is exactly what happened right now. So now to the upside, when we look at the next targets here, let me get this here a little bit together, so then you can see where the next target is already. So we have one here. And that's basically also the zone where we ran into. So first of all, what I would like to see from Bitcoin after this bullish hidden divergence has finally played out, and it was just insane. Look at the percentage move here. In a matter of 4 days, 34% almost, which is crazy. So the next level that I'm watching is for a retracement, definitely $24,200 here. The bottom of that this former resistance zone, which is maybe support now. I'm gonna change this here into support if we close this daily candle above $25,300. And the next level of resistance, based on the pivot points here, would be at $26,666, and that is also a level that we are close to. And this goes all the way up to $29,000. So somewhere here in between, I reckon we're gonna pivot in the next coming days. And then we see a correction back to the downside to potentially, in my opinion, $25,000, because everything that goes up like crazy like this has to come down at some point. So it's inevitable that this is going to happen here. So also when we're looking at this 4-hourly chart, so you see here is a clear resistance from prior price action at $28,700, $29,000 that we could run into. So, and also when you go like this here, so then you see that is in alignment with the Fibonacci extension level, the 1.618. So we were close to touch the 1.236. But did not manage to break above that. But once we are breaking above that, here could be a good opportunity to long again if we close here at least a 4-hourly candle above that level, and then trade this all the way up to the 1.618, 1.65 to the golden ratio of $28,800, $29,000. That's what I'm looking at. So the other way where you could think about a long position is if the price comes down here and settles above $25,200 and we see a bounce from there, something like this, back to the upside. Then also here, this could be a good level for an entry for your next long position. So, but I'm definitely waiting here now, right now. I have some altcoins that I'm trading. These trades, I let them run because they're really nice and profit. But otherwise, I'm waiting on Bitcoin for a new long opportunity. I'm not willing to short this because the market is absolutely insane. And I think it would be really, really dumb right now in this crazy volatility to short here Bitcoin when it turned that tremendously bullish. So also here on the 30 minutes chart, you see happening here again the same thing that we saw yesterday. Yesterday when we broke here at above $24,500, the price came down a little bit, went sideways, and then we saw the next push. So here we could see the same thing happening right now. Again, a little bit sideways, and then maybe the next push. So, but trust me guys, this will be the final push before we see any retracement. So that's why I'm telling you guys, be careful out there, because there's only one more push left in my opinion for the next coming days, and then Bitcoin has to settle, reset the indicators, and then we will see a potential continuation to the upside. So it's not full-blown bull market yet for me. Full-blown bull market is above $30,000 and we stay there, then it's full-blown bull market. But until then, we have to remain cautious here with what's happening with the Bitcoin price. But of course, we can take profit of that situation right now while everything is pumping. And guys, don't forget to sign up on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free with my link here, or $20,000 on Bitget. Also only with that link. The links are in the pinned comment below and in the description below. That's already everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.